OpenAI introduced a long-form question-answering AI called ChatGPT that answers complex questions conversationally. It's a revolutionary technology because it's trained to learn what humans mean when they ask a question. Many users are awed at its ability to provide human-quality responses, inspiring the feeling that it may eventually have the power to disrupt how humans interact with computers and change how information is retrieved. If I can put it in simple words, everyone can recall the movie Robo featuring Rajnikant as a character of a machine which will be programmed to understand the human emotions and the way they react to things. Similarly, ChatGPT application is being programmed to understand human emotions and react to their text messages, and there are all other features introduced in ChatGPT to make it easy for the user. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5. It has a remarkable ability to interact in conversational dialogue form and provide responses that can appear surprisingly human. Large language models perform the task of predicting the next word in a series of words. Reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, is an additional layer of training that uses human feedback to help ChatGPT learn the ability to follow directions and generate responses that are satisfactory to humans. Who built ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by San Francisco-based artificial intelligence company OpenAI. OpenAI Incorporated is the non-profit parent company of the for-profit OpenAI ALP. The CEO is Sam Altman, who previously was president of Y Combinator. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.